Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of 2-minute tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to mix two images on MidJourney. So if you are looking for a way on how you can do that, keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to mix the two images on MidJourney, then you can easily use the remix mode in order to do so. First, make sure that you have a Discord account. If you don't have one, you must sign up. Go ahead and open up your Discord application and make sure that you are logged into your Discord account. And also, make sure that you've joined in to the MidJourney server. If you've not yet joined into the server, you can go ahead and tap on the plus button on the left hand side and tap on join a server at the bottom. Go ahead and type in discord.gg/midjourney. After you do that, tap on join server and accept the invitation from MidJourney by tapping the accept button. Once you are done joining into the MidJourney server, you'll be able to see a little sailboat icon on the top left for MidJourney. Make sure that you're inside it and go ahead and pick a newbie's room from the options. Once you are done, you'll be able to see a chat box at the bottom on the newbie's room that you've selected. You'll be able to see a wall of images and prompts from other users in this page. Go to the bottom of the screen and in the chat box, type in /settings. Once you are done with it, tap on the blue button at the bottom right in order to make your command. Once you do that, you'll be able to see a screen. In the settings options, select the MJ4 version and at the bottom, select the remix mode. Now, go ahead and prepare two images you'd like to mix. After you find the image, hold the image and tap on the share button. Tap the copy button in order to copy the URL of the image. Copy the URL for both of the images and in the chat box at the bottom, type in the /imagine prompt. Give a space right after you type in imagine and then paste in both of the images URL, separated by a space in between. Here I have typed in both of the images URL. Now, after you do that, you can press enter or the send button at the bottom right. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to mix two images in MidJourney. That is how it can be easily done. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.